What's good, math family? In today's video, we're looking at how to find an area and perimeter when we have side lengths that are polynomials, and I'm going to also show you guys some common mistakes to avoid. In our first example, they gave us the perimeter for this triangle, and they're asking us to find the third side. So first thing we need to do is combine these two sides. So when we combine our two sides, we get 8x minus 3y. So we are going to have to subtract this from the perimeter to find the third side, but there is a specific way we have to do it. If you come in here and you say, okay, I have 18x plus 9y minus 8x plus 3y, I had the wrong sign, what we're going to get is 10x plus 12y. But this is incorrect. And the reason why is because this is an entire expression. So when we subtract, this is the best way to do it, right? We have our perimeter on top, 18x plus 9y, and we're going to subtract 8x plus 3y. Now, once we go in, our correct answer should be 10x plus 6y. This is the correct answer. Another way that we could write it and solve is like this. So we have 18x plus 9y minus, and then we put that entire expression inside parentheses because we're subtracting the whole thing. So now this sign change affects both terms. So 18x minus 8 is going to give me that 10x, and 9y minus 3y is going to give me that positive 6y. So please make sure that you don't do this first method because you're going to get it wrong. Now, in our second example, the reason why students get the area part wrong is because they forget properties of exponents. So they'll multiply 5x and 4x to get 20x, and negative 1 and 2 to get minus 2. But that's not the area. That is wrong. What we want to do, let's say we use the box method, is multiply and FOIL, meaning that if we multiply two binomials, our answer is a trinomial. So I put 4x, 2 on the top. When I multiply, we have 20x to the second power. Don't forget properties of exponents. We go through again, we have 10x after we multiply 5x and 2. We go to negative 1 to distribute, so we have negative 4x, negative 2. So now, once I rewrite this in standard form, we have 20x squared. Combine my like terms to get positive 6x, negative 2 just stays the same. So if we wanted the area, it would be 20x squared plus 6x minus 2. All right, so please make sure that you remember that. Two binomials multiplied gives us a trinomial unless it is the difference of squares. Now let's say they ask us for the perimeter. Opposite sides are the same. That's 5x plus minus 1. This is 4x plus 2. Now when we're doing perimeter, we're just adding the coefficients, right? Because they are like terms. So there won't be any exponent rules with this. So what does Peters mean? 5x plus 5x is 10x, plus 4 is 14, plus another 4 gives me 18x. 2 plus 2 gives me 4. When we do 4 minus 1, that gives me 3. We subtract the other one, that gives me 2. So I know my perimeter is 18x plus 2. So please, don't make these simple mistakes, family, because it happens all the time because we're moving too fast. Really hope that you found some value and this video helped you understand the common mistakes with these type of perimeter and area problems. If it was, smash the like button for us, subscribe to our channel, and leave comments down below if you had questions on today's video or if there's videos that you'd like to see in the future on our channel. Thank you guys so much for joining Algebra 1 with Mr. Peters.